Water. Water. It is the year 2040. There is a severe shortage of usable water on Earth. Every citizen has been given a fixed water quota. Used water is being treated and made reusable. Drinking water has to be bought in bottles from shops. Elderly people often tell us stories about their time, and listening to them leaves us astonished. One day, grandfather told us, in 1990, when I was 20 years old, we used to get unlimited water through underground pipelines. In some places, cars were washed with plenty of water, while in others people watered their large lawns with pipes. Children happily emptied bottles of water on each other. People left water taps running and went off to do other work. Some people even built swimming pools for their children, who carelessly splashed and wasted water. While washing clothes and dishes, taps were kept open continuously, and water flowed out of homes into streets and roads, creating mud. Aisha and Akasha listened with their mouths open in amazement. Grandfather continued, "In our time, when someone went to take a bath, the sound of running water could be heard for a long time. During summer, people would take showers 3 or 4 times a day." Aisha and Akasha were thinking about how now even drinking water was provided in very small amounts per person and had to be consumed carefully. Doctors and health experts advised drinking more water, which increased household expenses. Seeing all this, both girls sighed sadly, because they were allowed to bathe only once a week, and even then with very little water. Girls are no longer allowed to keep long hair, because washing long hair requires more water. Aisha sadly thought about girls with long hair. Grandfather added, "That was the condition of water, and gas was also available all day and night. Whether needed or not, geysers stayed on day and night. This is the punishment for wasting the blessings of Allah that we are facing today." Both Aisha and Akasha wished that they had lived in that earlier time and could have told everyone how precious water is. If we use water carefully today, it will be available in the future as well. Otherwise, life will become extremely difficult.